What's going on, people? We're out here at the Beaver Dam, part of it. Not actually the Beaver Dam, but they are wrecking these woods. They are my mom's property, and at least 3 or 4 other properties, all combined with the dams and the lodges and everything else. They've been eating up these red oaks back in here. See if I can zoom in on the lodge over there. That's in a pond. So, trap them. Gotta take care of them, because they will ruin your property value and kill all your good trees before you're ready to harvest.